TC 4-speed here, bringing you another video. Today we had a mishap at work today. We had broken our headgear on our welding helmet. Today we're going to show you how to fix it. First thing we got to do to fix this helmet is disassemble. It's pretty self-explanatory. Take out the hardware, put all that to the side, do the same thing on the other side. If you're reusing your hardware, don't let any of this, don't drop it and lose any of this. You'll be reusing it. But for right now, we'll be putting that to the side. Nice clean helmet, nothing on it, with the broken headgear, with the piece that had just snapped off. Before we go ahead and assemble the new headgear and the hood, we're going to go ahead and swap the lenses out since everything's nice and out of the way. These lenses were just changed recently, so they're pretty clean still, but we're going to go ahead and show you anyway. Get yourself like a small, thin little screwdriver or anything from the shop that you have around that'll fit under your retainer. Pop that out of the place, put that to the side. Go ahead and put your hand over the lenses and just go ahead and flip everything upside down. Everything will come out into your hand nice and neat. The way these lenses are set up, you have a clear lens, you have a gasket, you have your auto dark or fixed shade, you have a back lens to cover it from smudges on your nose and just scratches on dust and debris getting in your head, and then your spacer. We're going to go ahead and put our old lens to the side, get a new fresh lens, put it right on top, grab our second lens, put it on the back side of our auto dark, put the old one to the side, place it on top of your spacer, and just pop it right back in place. Everything should fall nice and neatly into place. Take your retainer, hook it underneath, and just push the opposite side. Got yourself some nice freshy lenses on both sides now. Ready to work. We're going to show you guys how to replace your new headgear now. What we're going to do first is we're going to take this keyed nut and put it on the inside of the hood and match it up with the key in the hood itself and just push it through the hole. And we're going to take our plastic washer, our lock nut or our lock washer, and put the nut on the opposite side. Just screw that down, snug it up. The second side here, there's just one extra step. Go ahead and start with our keyed nut again. Get that started, put that through the hole. Line it up so it's pretty much going to match when you push it through. Kind of hold your hand there and take this piece. This is what adjusts your angle on your hood. Get it started on one of the keys of your angle adjustment. Push it through. Pop your keyed nut or bolt through the hole. Place your washer, your lock washer. Snug it down a little bit, but keep it kind of loose. And right here you'll see this is your angle adjustment. So as you move it, the angle of your hood adjusts. So we'll start right there and we'll demonstrate. There's just a couple different adjustments that you can set, and that's pretty much how you get it back together. If you like this video, like and subscribe. See you next time.